In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Webflow backup and restore it. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. First off, what you need to do is head over to the Webflow website. Webflow is a powerful visual website builder, perfect for creating custom sites. You can find it easily by navigating to webflow.com. Once you're there, locate the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page, and give it a click. After logging into your account, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is your central hub for managing all your projects. On this dashboard, go ahead and click on the project you want to work on. Each project is typically displayed in a tidy format, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Once you've entered the project section, look around for a little three-dot icon. It's usually next to your project name or settings icon. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with additional options for the selected project. From this menu, select the settings option. Think of this area as the behind-the-scenes space where you can manage different aspects of your project, like backups. Now that you're in the settings section, navigate to the Backups tab. This is where the magic happens. Backups are essentially snapshots of your project at different points in time, and they're crucial for preventing data loss. You'll see options to create a new backup, view existing ones, or even restore from a previous state. Creating a backup now will give you peace of mind, knowing that all your hard work is safely stored. It's like a safety net, ensuring that if anything goes wrong, you can revert your site to a previously working state. To create a backup, simply click the button labeled something like Create Backup. It's often prominently displayed for ease of access. Confirm your action if prompted, and voila, your current project status is saved. Feel free to name the backup something indicative of its purpose or date, so you can easily identify it later on. Let's say things didn't quite go as planned, and you'd like to restore a previous version. Well, you're in luck because the restore process is just as straightforward. Within that same backup section, locate the backup version you wish to revert to, and click the restore button associated with it. Follow any prompts to confirm your action, and your project will be reverted back to that version. There you have it. You've successfully created and can restore a backup in Webflow. Remember, regular backups are the best way to ensure you're always prepared for the unexpected. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!